Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are gonna do worst food combination or weird food combination challenge. We are gonna rate each food combinations out of 10. The most worst rated will be 9 and the most good rated, or rather the tasty combination, will be rated 1. So guys, we are starting the challenge. So first weird food item combination will be dairy milk plus ketchup. Let's see how it tastes. Yeah, this is the dairy milk that we'll use, and so it was already there in our home, so we thought of using it. We'll use the ketchup also. We have already put some ketchup in this plate, as you guys can see. So we'll taste individually. We'll rate this according to our tastes, preferences basically. So we'll take this small piece of chocolate, dairy milk, and dip it in the ketchup and taste it. We have to finish this with this one only. And in the middle of any weird food item, we cannot have water. Even if we feel like, we cannot have water. After eating, we'll explain how it feels like. So I'm done eating. First there will be the flavor of ketchup, and afterwards you can feel the chocolate dairy milk one. So I'll rate it 5 out of 10. Now it's her turn to rate it and explain how she felt. I felt kind of sweet and salty or khatta meetha flavor kind of. So I'll rate 6. Okay, not that. I got the taste of the ketchup and then the chocolate. So it was very bad for me. In the first go, it was very bad, but afterwards it tasted good. So 5 out of 10 from my side and 6 out of 10 from her side. The next food combination will be banana plus soya sauce. So we already have bananas in the plate, as you guys can see. So we'll put some more soya sauce into this. It feels like we have put chocolate sauce. It looks like that. Now we'll taste it. I did not like it at all. Very salty. Salty plus sugary because of the banana. So I give it 8 out of 10. I did not like it at all. The taste was too salty. Ka bola chilo. For me also it's 8 out of 10. So the next weird food item will be cream biscuit, which we have as Jim Jam and Rasna. I have seen in many YouTube videos this combination. So now we'll open this and dip inside this Rasna, then see how it tastes. This is how it looks like. I hate this biscuit actually. I never liked this biscuit.
No, I like this biscuit. So
Too much of sweet.
let's taste it. Dip it. I'm dipping it nicely. You have to drink it. So I'm eating a bite of it and taking this along with it. Last bite. When I dipped the cream biscuit, this Jim Jam biscuit inside this rasna, it felt good. It just felt like water, but it felt good. But after I had the biscuit along with this, it's very bad. But still, I'll rate it 4 out of 10. I can have it. 4 out of 10.
For me, it was kind of good, not that bad. When I had the biscuit with this rasna, firstly when I drank it, it was kind of sour, but later on it felt good. So I'll rate 5. I liked it, not that bad.
The next one is,
Chips and honey.
yeah, my favorite. But I don't like honey at all. We'll open it and then put some honey on the chips
And have it.
and we'll give you the review after that. It was shocking, but I really liked it. It was good. It was really good. This is very good. This is an amazing flavor, but because of this, it felt a bit sweet and flavorful, I can say. So I'll rate it 2 out of 10. I can have it. I really liked it. 2 out of 10. In a good side.
I really liked it. It was sweet and masala type. It was a great combination. Even I'll rate it 2 out of 10.
Next weird food item would be
Toffee with green chili sauce.
this sauce. I have already put some. This toffee we are having. Orange bite parle ka. So we'll dip this completely in the green chili and then have it. So this is how it looks like. And we'll have it. I'm completely dipping it, okay? as the name suggests, green chili. It was very spicy in the beginning because of the green chili flavor. But after that, it tasted sweet because of the toffee. I would not prefer having it again, ever again. So I would rate this 9 out of 10. Worst. I would never have it.
Firstly, a blow of chili, then a bit of lemon, khattapan, and then sweetness of the candy. But okay, I'll rate it 7 out of 10.
So I rated green chili plus toffee 9 out of 10 in the worst side, and she rated it 7 out of 10. Now, this is the last weird food combination that we are going to try today. So,
Last combination is
I mean.
पानी के साथ बिस्किट, cookie biscuit.
Water and biscuit. So I'll put some water in this katori.
So we're gonna have this cookie biscuit
With water. We can't show you because otherwise it will fall. So personally, I did not like it because I don't like having water with biscuits. I don't like it at all. I rate this item 9 out of 10 in the worst side.
I felt like it was gonna be scoot.
Disgusting. I did not like it at all. Neither did she.
I rated 8 out of 10
Yeah.
because biscuited taste ভালো ছিল.
So with this, we end this challenge.
Hope you guys like it.
And thank you for watching. Don't forget to
Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.
keep loving and keep supporting us. Thank you. Bye.